Welcome to our video on the ultimate SEO checklist. Boost your rankings with these essential tips. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. To help you get the most out of your SEO efforts, we've compiled a checklist of essential tips to follow. First, make sure your website is mobile-friendly. With more users accessing the internet on their mobile devices, Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in its search results. In today's digital age, it's crucial to have a website that looks and functions seamlessly on mobile devices. Let's get started. Step 1. Mobile responsiveness. The first step is to ensure your website is mobile responsive. This means it adapts and adjusts to different screen sizes. A responsive layout will guarantee a consistent user experience across devices. Step 2. Simple navigation. Next, focus on creating a simple and intuitive navigation menu. Mobile users have limited screen space, so it's important to prioritize essential links. Aim for a concise menu that's easy to scroll and tap. Step 3. Optimize content. Optimize your content for mobile viewing. Break up long paragraphs into shorter sections. Use bullet points and subheadings to organize information. Ensure legibility by using a font size that is easily readable on small screens. Step 4. Finger-friendly buttons. Make sure you have finger-friendly buttons on your mobile website. Large, easy-to-tap buttons and form fields will enhance user experience. Remember, users should be able to navigate your site with their thumbs effortlessly. Step 5. Quick loading speed. Optimize your website for quick loading speed. Slow loading pages frustrate users and negatively impact search engine rankings. Compress images, minify code, and utilize caching techniques to ensure speedy page loads. Step 6. Test and adapt. Finally, test your website on various mobile devices and browsers. Make necessary adjustments to optimize performance. Regularly test for broken links, form submissions, and overall functionality. Take your website to the next level by mastering mobile-friendly web design. Enhance user experience, increase visibility, and drive traffic to your site. Thank you for watching our video. Next, optimize your website's speed. Slow loading sites can negatively impact user experience and rankings. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to identify areas for improvement. Now, focus on your website's content. Ensure it's informative, relevant, and well-structured. Incorporate keywords naturally throughout your content to help search engines understand its relevance. Don't forget about on-page optimization. Optimize your page titles, meta descriptions, and URL structures with relevant keywords to increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Another important aspect is link building. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable websites to improve your site's authority and credibility. Remember to optimize your images by using descriptive alt tags and compressing them to improve loading times. Regularly audit and fix broken links on your website. Broken links can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings. Lastly, stay up to date with the latest SEO trends, algorithms, and best practices. SEO is constantly evolving, so keeping yourself informed is essential for staying competitive. By following this ultimate SEO checklist, you can boost your website's rankings and attract more organic traffic. Implement these tips today and watch your online presence grow. Thanks for watching our video on the ultimate SEO checklist. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable SEO tips and tricks.